Hey, what is up everyone? I'm Anav here, back again with yet another video from Tech Arena, and here we have Leaf Sport 2 wireless earphones, and we are going to review this particular earphones in our channel today. And I thank Bala from Bloggers Bridge for sending out this unit, and please do check out their Instagram profile. The link is in the description below. And hey, if you end up liking this video, do consider smashing the like button and also subscribe to our channel by clicking the red color subscribe button below. Now let's move on to the review of the Leaf Sport 2 wireless earphones. Now, the Leaf Sport 2, well, it's the successor of the Leaf Sport 1 wireless earphones, which is costing around 999 rupees, and this is the second version of the Leaf Sport, which is the Leaf Sport 2 wireless earphones, and its pricing is around 1499 rupees. It is a sports-friendly matte finish plastic unibody design wireless earphones from Leaf. And talking about the build and design, it is a plastic unibody having a black matte finish. It has got logos on the both of the earpieces as well as on the mic set. So in the mic compartment section of the earphones, you have three buttons: the volume increase and decrease, as well as the call, accept and reject button. So the mic quality of these earphones is also really great. What I love about this earphones is its snug fit to the ears. Well, for those of you who more often play outdoor games and go for a jog, I think this particular earphones is suggestible for them, as the manufacturer claims it as sports friendly. Well, I completely agree to that matter of fact. The snug fit to the ears makes it look really great, and also it helps to block out all the air passages and also improve a bit of audio quality of this earphones. Well, it is a Bluetooth 4.0 device. The battery stands for at least 6 hours as I've tested, and connecting this particular earphones to a smartphone is really easy. Just switch on your Bluetooth, find out the Leaf Sport 2 earphones in scanning the Bluetooth of your smartphone and just connect it to that. It's so simple. And talking about the audio quality, well, I feel the bass of this earphones is really great when compared to all the competitors. It brings out a real good punch in the music. And talking about the other aspects of audio, like the highs and mids as well as the treble, well, it's great but not so excellent as I can say. It's because the price, I understand, but the package of this earphones is really great for the price given. And talking about the package, yes, inside the pack you have the earphones, the manuals, the extra earbuds, as well as the micro USB cable. Now, as I said, it's costing around 1499 rupees in Amazon. The link will be there in the description below. You can check it out. And as the earphone suggests, it's a sports friendly earphones. Well, it is sweat proof too, and I can also guarantee that it can also sustain a little bit of water. Well, the overall package of the Leaf Sport 2 wireless earphones for 1499 rupees is really great. The link of the earphones is in the below. Check out the description, and hey, also check out Bloggers Bridge in Instagram. Those of you YouTubers who want review units, you can check out their Instagram profile, DM them and ask them for review units. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Tech Arena. And thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Peace.